How to fix Yahoo Mail not opening. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple solutions that can help you get back into your inbox. First, open Yahoo Mail in your web browser. Try refreshing the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the reload button. If you're using a Mac, press Command+R to refresh the page. Give Yahoo Mail a moment to reconnect and check if your inbox loads. If Yahoo Mail still doesn't open, try using a private browsing window. Open your browser menu and select New Incognito Window or New Private Window, depending on your browser. Then go to mail.yahoo.com and sign into your account again. If Yahoo Mail works in private mode, the problem may be related to your browser's stored data or an extension. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, then clear the data. After that, completely close your browser and open it again. You should also make sure your browser is up to date. Open the browser menu, go to Help or About, and check for available updates. Install any update and restart the browser. If Yahoo Mail is still not opening, check your internet connection. Try opening another website to make sure your internet is working properly. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router and reconnect to the internet. Finally, sign out of your Yahoo account and sign in again. In Yahoo Mail, click your profile icon, select Sign Out, and then log back in with your email address and password. Try opening your inbox again after completing each step. And that's it. These solutions should help fix Yahoo Mail not opening or loading problems. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Yahoo Mail and troubleshooting tutorials.